Imagine a simple yet powerful approach that could transform your relationship with wealth overnight. By shifting your mindset and aligning your thoughts with abundance, you can tap into opportunities and possibilities that were once hidden. The secret? A simple practice of affirming abundance and trusting its flow into your life. Say this daily: I am a magnet for wealth, and opportunities flow to me effortlessly. With this foundation, let's explore the steps that can unlock a world of financial prosperity. Wealth begins in the mind before it manifests in reality. Your thoughts are like seeds. What you plant and nurture will eventually grow. Shifting to a wealth-focused mindset means replacing thoughts of scarcity with those of abundance. Start by observing your inner dialogue about money. Do you frequently worry about not having enough? These fears, while natural, create blocks in your energy. Instead, reframe your thoughts with empowering affirmations such as, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Consistency is key. The more you repeat these affirmations, the more your subconscious mind begins to accept them as truth. Visualization is another potent tool. Picture yourself living in abundance, whether it's enjoying financial freedom, traveling, or helping others. The clearer your vision, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Combine this practice with gratitude for what you already have, as gratitude amplifies abundance and keeps you aligned with your goals. Limiting beliefs are invisible barriers that hold you back from achieving financial success. These beliefs often stem from past experiences, cultural conditioning, or family upbringing. Statements like "money doesn't grow on trees" or "you have to work hard to get rich" embed deeply in your psyche and shape your reality. Begin by identifying your personal limiting beliefs about money. Write them down and question their validity. Are these beliefs universally true, or are they perceptions you've inherited? Challenge them with counterarguments. For example, replace "I'll never have enough" with "I am always provided for." Practice forgiveness and release. If you associate money with guilt, shame, or conflict, these emotions can create energetic blocks. Forgive yourself and others for past mistakes related to money. By clearing emotional clutter, you open the door to receiving abundance freely and without resistance. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts wealth and prosperity. By appreciating what you already have, you shift your focus from lack to abundance, creating an energetic alignment that invites more of what you desire. Create a daily gratitude ritual. Each morning or evening, write down at least 5 things you're grateful for. Include even the smallest blessings, such as having a roof over your head or a warm meal. Feel genuine appreciation as you reflect on these gifts, and notice how your mood and perspective shift. Incorporate gratitude into your affirmations. For instance, say, "I am grateful for the wealth and opportunities that flow into my life." This combination reinforces positive energy and solidifies your connection to abundance. Over time, you'll find that gratitude not only attracts wealth, but also enriches your overall sense of well-being. Affirmations are a direct line to your subconscious mind, which governs much of your behavior and beliefs. Repeating affirmations focused on abundance helps to overwrite negative programming and install new, empowering beliefs. Craft affirmations that resonate with your goals. Statements like, "I deserve to be wealthy," or "I attract financial opportunities effortlessly" are powerful when spoken with conviction. Repeat them multiple times a day, especially in the morning and before bed, when your subconscious is most receptive. Pair affirmations with visualization for greater impact. As you say, "I am financially free," imagine yourself living that reality. Feel the joy and relief that come with it. This combination of words and emotions strengthens the message you're sending to the universe, accelerating its manifestation. Manifestation is not just about thoughts, it's also about action. Inspired action bridges the gap between your intentions and their physical realization. Once you set a clear intention for wealth, remain alert to opportunities that align with your goal. Break your financial goals into manageable steps. For instance, if your aim is to save a certain amount, start by setting aside a small percentage of your income each month. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, as this reinforces positive momentum. Trust your intuition when taking action. If you feel drawn to a particular opportunity or idea, explore it without hesitation. The universe often communicates through subtle nudges, and acting on them can lead to significant breakthroughs. Negative energy, whether it comes from your environment or your own thoughts, can block your ability to manifest wealth. Surrounding yourself with positivity is essential for maintaining a high vibrational frequency that attracts abundance. Identify sources of negativity in your life. This could be toxic relationships, limiting media content, or even clutter in your physical space. Take steps to minimize these influences. For instance, spend less time with individuals who drain your energy and more time with those who uplift and inspire you. Practice mental detox regularly. Meditation, journaling, and affirmations help clear your mind of negative thoughts and keep you focused on your goals. As you create a more positive environment, you'll notice that opportunities and abundance begin to flow more effortlessly. Generosity is a powerful way to affirm your belief in abundance. When you give freely, you signal to the universe that you trust there's always enough for everyone, including yourself. This mindset creates a cycle of giving and receiving that amplifies prosperity. Start small if giving feels uncomfortable. Donate a small amount to a cause you believe in, or offer your time and skills to help someone in need. Focus on the joy of giving rather than the material value of what you're offering. Notice how generosity impacts your mindset. As you give, you'll likely feel a sense of fulfillment and gratitude, which further aligns you with abundance. Over time, you'll realize that the more you give, the more you receive, reinforcing your trust in the flow of wealth. One of the most challenging aspects of manifesting wealth is trusting that it will arrive at the right time. Impatience can create resistance, blocking the flow of abundance. When you align with divine timing, you remove the stress of when and focus on what. Trust begins with letting go of the need to control every detail. Often, wealth doesn't manifest in the way you expect, but arrives through unforeseen opportunities. For example, you might not get the promotion you anticipated, but could stumble upon a side hustle that proves even more lucrative. The universe has a broader perspective than you, and trusting its timing ensures that you're ready to receive when the moment is right. Develop patience by practicing mindfulness. Take note of small signs of abundance in your life, such as unexpected gifts or opportunities. These are indications that your manifestations are unfolding. Gratitude for these smaller blessings amplifies the energy of wealth and reassures you that your desires are on their way. Trust is the bridge between intention and manifestation, and cultivating it will ensure you stay aligned with abundance. For many, the fear of wealth is an unconscious barrier that keeps abundance at bay. While it might sound counterintuitive, this fear often stems from beliefs about what wealth represents: responsibility, greed, or even losing touch with your true self. Understanding and releasing this fear is essential for allowing prosperity into your life. Start by reflecting on your feelings about money. Does the idea of having significant wealth make you feel anxious or unworthy? These fears often come from societal messages that portray money as corrupting or burdensome. Challenge these notions by redefining what wealth means to you. Instead of seeing it as merely material, view it as a tool for freedom, growth, and positive impact. Once you've identified the fear, use affirmations to counteract it. For instance, repeat, "I am worthy of wealth and it enhances every area of my life." Pair this practice with visualization, imagining yourself using money for good, such as supporting loved ones or contributing to causes you care about. By shifting your perspective, you dismantle the barriers that hold you back from true financial abundance. Manifesting wealth is not just about thoughts or actions, but also about vibrational energy. Everything in the universe operates on frequencies, and to attract wealth, your energy must resonate with abundance. Misaligned energy, such as feelings of lack or doubt, can repel the very prosperity you seek. Start by raising your vibrational frequency through self-care and positive habits. This could include meditation, exercise, or even spending time in nature. These practices ground you and clear out negative energies, leaving you more open to receiving. Next, embody the energy of abundance in your daily life. Act as if you're already living the wealthy life you desire. This doesn't mean overspending, but rather adopting an abundant mindset. For example, when paying bills, thank the universe for the ability to afford them instead of worrying about the amount. These small shifts align your energy with wealth and send a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive more. Surround yourself with high vibration influences. Spend time with people who inspire and uplift you, and consume content that motivates you toward abundance. The more you immerse yourself in an energy of wealth, the more naturally it will flow into your life. Your relationship with money plays a significant role in how much wealth you attract and retain. Viewing money as a partner rather than a problem can transform how you interact with it. A strong, healthy relationship with money ensures that it flows into your life effortlessly and remains a positive force. Start by treating money with respect. Keep your finances organized, whether it's through budgeting or simply keeping your wallet neat. Respecting money shows the universe that you value it, making you a more reliable steward of wealth. Communicate positively about money. Avoid phrases like, "I can't afford that," or "money is tight." Instead, use empowering statements like, "I'm choosing to save for something important." The way you talk about money reflects your beliefs, and shifting to positive language helps reframe your mindset. Build trust with money through consistency. Save a portion of your income, no matter how small, to demonstrate that you're capable of managing it wisely. The universe rewards responsible handling of wealth with even greater abundance. By nurturing your relationship with money, you open the door to lasting prosperity. Many people limit their financial abundance because they unconsciously restrict their ability to receive. Manifesting wealth requires not just asking for it, but also being fully open to accepting it. Expanding your capacity to receive is a vital step in allowing prosperity to flow. Examine areas where you might be blocking wealth. Do you feel guilty receiving gifts or compliments? This resistance can extend to money, creating barriers to abundance. Practice saying thank you and accepting with grace, no matter how small the offering. This simple act signals to the universe that you're open to receiving more. Visualize yourself receiving wealth without hesitation. Imagine checks arriving in the mail, business opportunities flourishing, or unexpected bonuses. Focus on the emotions of joy and gratitude during this visualization, as these feelings amplify your receptivity. Expand your capacity to receive by giving. Generosity creates a positive cycle of flow, showing the universe that you trust in abundance. The more you give, the more you'll find yourself receiving in unexpected and delightful ways. By accepting this cycle, you ensure that wealth not only enters your life, but continues to grow. Manifesting wealth is an art that requires a harmonious blend of belief, action, and alignment. Each step we've discussed builds upon the last, creating a solid foundation for financial abundance and personal growth. By shifting your mindset, releasing fears, and accepting positive energy, you can unlock a life filled with limitless possibilities. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights and tools to transform your life. Thank you for watching, and may wealth and happiness flow abundantly into your journey.